Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now today in this video we will discuss about how to download and install latest version MySQL Server as well as MySQL Workbench in your Windows operating system. So let's start my video. Now first we tell you how to download latest version MySQL setup file. Then I will discuss how to install. For downloading MySQL Server setup file, in the Google search bar just search MySQL download and open official website mysql.com. Here you could see that download menu will be visible. Click on it and scroll down this page and go to the below. Here you see that MySQL Community GPL download. Click on it. After that, multiple options are visible here. Simply click on the MySQL installer for Windows. After clicking, you could see that here you need to select your MySQL version. Here latest version will be visible, MySQL 8.0.41, and you need to select your operating system. Already selected your operating system. After that you need to select which one you want to install, either G file or MIS installer. So I want to install the last one, so simply click on the download button. After that, here login page will be visible. No need to sign up or login. Just click on the no thanks, just start my download. After that your download will be started. Okay. Wait some time. When my download is completed, I will go to the next step where we will discuss about how to install MySQL server and Workbench both as well as. Okay. Please wait some time. Okay, MySQL installer setup file will be download completed. So I will go to my download folder and just execute setup file. Okay. So now come to your download folder. Here you could see that the MySQL community setup file will be visible. Simply double click on it. After running setup file, this page will be visible. Here we need to select which one you want to install. Okay. If you select here full, all software will be installed in your system, but I don't want this. So I will select here custom installed and click on the next button. After that we need to select which software and server we want to install. So we need to install the MySQL server. So simply expand this box and select MySQL server 8.0.41 and click on the arrow button. Again we need to select the application. So I want to install only MySQL Workbench. That's why I am selecting here MySQL Workbench and click on the button. If you want to install MySQL sales, router and documentation, I will select like that. Okay, but I don't want this. So simply I will select here MySQL server and MySQL Workbench. Then click on the next button. Again next. And here we need to install. So execute on it. After that installation will be started. So wait, after installing we will see how to configure MySQL servers and MySQL Workbench. So wait guys. So installation will be completed. Simply click on the next button and we need to configure MySQL server. So click on the next button and no need to change here anything. Simply click on the next button again. After that we need to set here the current root password. So we will write here and click on the check button. We are already installed MySQL server. That's why we need to check. Here you need to select and set MySQL root password. So you need to select that and click on the next button. We have already installed previously. That's why we need to check that. Otherwise we will also need get the pop-up message to set the MySQL server root password. Here we check my password, then click on the next button. So we will check my root current password successfully. Simply click on the next button again and my setup will be ready. So we need to apply that setup in my SQL server. So execute this. Okay, successfully set up apply configuration. So click on the finish, next, and no need to start MySQL Workbench. So simply click on the finish button. After that, MySQL and MySQL Workbench will be installed successfully in your system. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for the watching my video.